Hello everybody and welcome back to KitchenIt. So today we're going to be doing something totally different. We are making breakfast pie. So to start off, you're going to make some eggs, and you can make these eggs however you want. I just made simple eggs with salt and black pepper, and yeah, just fry it up and we're gonna use it later in the video. So the next step in this recipe is to roll out your puff pastry, and I'm only going to use half of my puff pastry because I don't need that much. And you will see that when you start rolling out the puff pastry, it stretches, so you end up not needing more than you actually do. And remember to coat your pastry and your rolling pin with flour to prevent it from sticking to the rolling pin or the surface. So once you get your puff pastry in this rectangular shape, proceed to cutting it in 3 large strips like I'm doing right now. Now the next step is to add some cheese to this, and I'm using a block of mozzarella cheese that I'm going to cut myself into thin slices, but you can use mozzarella slices if you do have. I just prefer this so that I can control the sizes of my cheese. Then just stack the cheeses on the puff pastry, so that is your base layer. Then next we're gonna add the eggs that we just fried up. Then the next thing to go on, I added cheese sausages, but you can add bacon, fried bacon, or ham, or any cold meats that you have in the house and you want to add to this recipe. That's all up to you. Then once you have added that, proceed to adding on another layer of cheese, which is gonna cover it and make it like a sandwich. The next thing is the egg wash. So you need to egg wash all the corners, which will make this easy to fold. And the egg wash is basically just whisked eggs, and you can add some water or milk to loosen the eggs if the eggs are too thick. And that is basically how you make an egg wash. So now it's time to fold the puff pastry, and you're gonna fold the one end first and fold the other end, and just make sure that they are tightly folded in. And then we're going to proceed to folding in, tucking in the ends as well. same on the other side. And don't worry, I know this looks horrible right now, but we're gonna fix it in a minute. And there you go, and just put that on the side. And if you have other pies, repeat the same process to the other pies. So once your pies are ready, all of them are done, then you're gonna take a fork and you're gonna press down the horrible ends and just make it look pretty. And if your fork starts getting stuck to the pastry, just dip it in flour or water and press it down again. And there you go, that looks much better. So now you're just gonna take a pan and grease the pan with whatever grease that you have. Then you're going to space out the pies because they will puff up. Then we're gonna grab that egg wash again and egg wash the outside of the pie to give it a nice golden color. There you go, just pop this in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes and they are done. They are looking great. And ooh, one more tip, don't forget to poke some holes in your pie if you don't want it looking like the one on the far left. And that is it. Your pies are done and you can serve this in a nicely dressed table and it will look very professional and very nice. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more. See you next time.